Are you looking for a natural way to support your wellness and create a healthier home? Hi, I'm Kim Toatley. If you're a busy professional who wants practical, research-driven tools to protect your health and your families, you're in the right place. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel right now so you don't miss any powerful wellness strategies designed for leaders like you. Today, I'm sharing one of doTERRA's most popular and versatile essential oil blends, On Guard, also known as the Protected Blend. On Guard combines wild orange, clove, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary essential oils. Together, these oils create a warm, spicy, and energizing environment that has become a household staple for many wellness-minded professionals. So let's take a closer look at what makes this blend so unique. First up, wild orange. Wild orange is uplifting and energizing. It brings that fresh citrus brightness that not only boosts your mood, but helps freshen the air in your home or office. Next is clove, known for its powerful cleansing properties. It gives On Guard that warm, spicy kick, and it's also one of nature's strongest protectors. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is comforting and supportive. It has been valued for centuries for its soothing qualities, and it adds depth to the blend's aroma. Next, eucalyptus. Think crisp and clarifying. It supports a clear environment and is often used in wellness practices for its refreshing scent. And finally, rosemary. Rosemary is invigorating and focusing. It helps support mental clarity, which is especially important when you're leading at a high level. So each of these oils brings something special, and together they create a blend that supports both the body and the mind. As a professional, we are often asked to manage deadlines, handle decisions, and support entire organizations. When your health is strong, you're able to bring clarity and confidence to your work. On Guard is one of those small, daily habits that helps you maintain that strength. So you can show up as the steady, energized leader your organization needs. Here are some of the simple, everyday ways that you can use On Guard. First, you can diffuse it in your home or your office to create an uplifting environment, especially during seasonal transitions. You can also dilute it and apply it to the bottoms of your feet as part of a morning routine. You can add a few drops to a spray bottle, add some water, and you have a natural, effective surface cleaner. And the On Guard product line goes even further. You can use the foaming hand wash, the toothpaste, the mouthwash, the sanitizing mist, and the supplements to make natural living easy and consistent every day. This isn't simply about wellness. It's also about your leadership. Too often, women are asked to push through fatigue, to ignore stress, and to put wellness on the back burner. But when you prioritize your health as a leader, you protect your ability to think clearly, to inspire others, and to make sound decisions. Protecting your health is the best investment you can make in your leadership. On Guard is one of the simplest tools that you can integrate to strengthen your edge every single day. So, while doTERRA products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease, they are designed to support a healthy lifestyle. So, always use as directed and consult a healthcare professional if you have any specific concerns. Now, let's recap quickly. The On Guard blend includes wild orange, clove, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary, each bringing its own benefits to protect and uplift. On Guard supports your wellness, simplifies natural living, and strengthens your leadership presence by keeping you energized, and resilient. If you found this information helpful, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share it with a colleague who values wellness. And if you're ready to explore how doTERRA products can become part of your leadership toolkit, check the description below for more resources and for ways to connect with me. Thank you for watching, and remember, wellness is your leadership edge.